Hi guys, it's Alston. First, thank you so much for checking out this video. In this video, I just wanted to talk to you about the flash sale of the Pabbly Lifetime Deal. I just wanted to give you some vital information on what they have been able to do from the last time they ran the LTD and give you some background information on what I thought would be most important for you guys to know whether to decide when deciding whether this is the right solution for you or not. Before I jump into the video, I just wanted to let you know I have included a non-affiliate link in the video description as well as my affiliate link. If you decided to use my affiliate link, it won't affect your purchase price, but it will help me to support and create more videos like this. Okay, without further ado, now let's directly jump into the video. First, some details about the sale. It is a flash sale which is starting today, 13th at 11 a.m. according to Indian Standard Time, and it's going to be finished on Friday, July 17th, 2 p.m. according to the Indian Standard Time. Basically, it's a 99 hours launch. And according to the founder who said that they won't come for another lifetime deal, the reason they are coming for this short flash sale is because Pabbly is automation software where the true power behind of the application itself will come from the community itself. So they are asking for more users into the platform in order to make more integrations possible, more requests. When community itself starts requesting integrations with other softwares on Pabbly Connect and all these things, it will help this Pabbly Connect to grow much further. That is the reason they are launching this LTD, and also a lot of them missed out on the first LTD. They had a waiting list over 600 people. That is also a major factor on their part to do this. So that is the flash sale and the details on it going. First, what is the deal details? Here the deal. If you can see the screen, you can see the earliest task they gave for one code 2,500 tasks. They didn't want to leave the early adapters in there. That's why they gave an extra task of 500 tasks for all the existing users under the same price, where previously it was priced at for one code it was $79, but in the new flash sale for one code $99. And the previous orders, if you have bought Pabbly Connect previously, you will get the additional 500 tasks automatically applied to your account. Now, the new users can get 3,000 tasks for one code, which comes for $99. You can check it out. And also, if you bought it previously also, you can stack up new code according to the price and it will automatically get applied to your account. All the details are shown here. And also, this is just giving you a video on what was the differences made from the last time they ran the LTD. If you want to check out my other videos on where I have explained you the main factors which you need to think before deciding how many codes you want to buy or whether this Pabbly Connect is the right solution for you, I have given some guidance on that on this video. And I also created a Pabbly Connect full LTD review on all the main subjects area which I covered. If you want to give more in-depth knowledge on Pabbly Connect, this will be the video to check it out. And also I have created a couple of other tutorial videos as well on how showcasing the live setup on using Pabbly Connect for different examples. I'll leave this link for the YouTube videos on the description. You can check it out if you want. And also I have planned to create more tutorial videos on later once this LTD, all these things settle down and once I get some time free. And now we'll take a look into what they have accomplished from the last LTD. First, they raised over without any other deal platform support like AppSumo or any other deal network like Stack Social, Reliance, Pitchground or anything like that. Without anyone's support, they individually raised over $250,000 in sales from the last LTD. They sold over 3,177 lifetime deal codes, and their current base is now over 3,000 plus customers. All these things are verifiable. They openly showed the number of codes sold on the Google Sheet, which they use Pabbly Connect to calculate. They are very open with the community platform. So all these things are verifiable from their support group. This is what they accomplished in the last LTD. And the main things which changed from the last LTD to this LTD is one, the bonus task to change with the pricing difference. And also they introduced a big factors which it wasn't available during the last time when they said that LTD, but they are changing this model first. They said that you won't be able to combine an LTD with a monthly plan. But now they are saying there will be an option in the future, or not sure when it will happen, but they said that there is option. Let's say, for example, you buy one code, and the one code comes up to 3,000 tasks. If you exceed this limit, the previous answer was that you need to have all the LTD in order to use this. But they are saying even if you reach this limit, you can combine that LTD account with a monthly plan from their normal pricing, and you can use that LTD limit as well as the additional limits under a monthly plan. So you can combine LTD with monthly plan, which is a big thing. And also currently, from the time they ran the LTD, now they have a lot more integrations. That's the major things which was changed from the last LTD. And also a couple of other things which I found interesting was after they ran the initial LTD, they was approached by AppSumo to run their LTD on their platform as well. If I can show you the screenshot, hopefully you can see this is they actually shared this screenshot in their group as well, showing that they are receiving emails on other popular AppSumo. It's really a big platform to launch any LTD. Because there will be so much potential for the user, and they didn't need AppSumo because they raised every capital they need without any other influence, just using the community platforms and everything. But they showed that this was they approached by AppSumo as well. And also they shared another screenshot where major investment firms also gave interest on Pabbly Connect and all these things. So not only customers recognize the platforms and its potential, but also the investment and other big players in the market also recognizing this and the value it brings to the market. And also the next one I want to talk to you about, from the last time they ran the LTD, now there is a lot of tutorial videos in YouTube. The first video channel is their official channel. I will leave a link to that also in the video description. You can see how many videos they have in the official channel. Let me open it up so I can show you. You can see the days, this just 1 day ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 1 week ago, 1 week ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks, and you can see all different sorts of tutorial. Google Sheet to mailer like Google Form to Pabbly email, Google Sheet trigger, Pabbly Form to Zoom integration, viral loop to Automizy, all these different things. This is just the official channel. And also, if you go into Google and type, I'm just using a search query just to show the number of videos available currently. I'm just looking at the YouTube Pabbly Connect. It brings up around 190 results. It means that with the official, there is a lot of videos just in a short span of time. It can be tutorial video, review videos, comparison video, any integrations video, but there are a lot of videos. And also they are creating a Pabbly, they are also actually creating Pabbly community section where they are encouraging users to create videos, create useful workflow cases, and all these things also there. And also, me personally, I will definitely keep on creating a tutorial section whenever I use Pabbly Connect for one of my integrations, like I showed in the About tutorials. I will create other additional tutorials as well as when we go into that particular time. And also, they even itself do create tutorials inside the Facebook group community. I'll share the link for that. You can see this was released July 11th, where they were talking about the pooling and Webhook's approach. He was giving a good tutorial on that, and you can see is asking that video on sending data from Google Sheet to external based on conditions. So there are a lot of tutorials. Tutorials are must, because it does not matter how good of a software you created. If the users are unable to use the software, they don't have the proper knowledge or are not sure on how to use it effectively, then it will make the software useless. That's the biggest thing. So not only they have the software, but they also have the tutorials behind it in order to make the best use of it for your purposes. The next thing which I noticed was fast integrations. This is a must, and because the main reason is any software can come into the market and they say that, they can say that they are competitor to Zapier because that is the ultimate holy grail of work automizations. But whether they have the capability and whether they are actually doing progress towards that, that's the biggest question in mind. Then what happened with Pabbly Connect was they actually started implementing all these integrations. You can see, I'm just showing you a couple of screenshots, not all the integration. You can see on July 9th they launched 3 integrations. July 11th the date is here. They launched another 4 integrations, and you can see Automizy was introduced July 10th, and you can see Block Survey got introduced just 4 hours ago. Planning and ClickFunnels got introduced on June 15th, and Pabbly Connect Webhooks was approved in G Suite Marketplace on July 4th, and July 10th QuickBooks and Wave integrations was done, and Zoom Marketplace got approved on July 10th. All these things, and if we go into this Google spreadsheet, they also have a section on the website, but I prefer this because it gives all the application name. This is the official name. It's not created by myself or any other person. This is the official list they gave us directly from Pabbly Connect. It shows the application name and actions, what it can do, triggers, what it can do, all these things, and status also showing you. If I just scroll over quickly and just give me a quick idea on how much integration has been done. You see there are a total of 220 records here with the integrations, all these things. Not only they have the native direct integrations, they also have a very good webhooks capability also, because they introduced now Automizy to Pabbly Connect integration. Before that, the Automizy, not Automizy, sorry, the Elementor form or any other software had a good webhook support as well. So without even having a direct integrations, we can use these webhooks to customize and connect with whatever the application we want. And also they have a good JSON formatter. What that means is, not every webhook responses we receive from other softwares, it will not be on same format or same kind of messages, without going any technical into that. But with having this decoding stuff like JSON formatter, HTML decoder, text formatting, we can actually try to make sense of the data and customize the way that webhooks to get the data we want. So not only they have the integrations, and they have shown that they are doing all these things in a short amount of time, but they also have a full list here, and webhook support also available. And also another thing, there is an active community. As I told you before, that there is over 3,000 plus Pabbly Connect users are now on the dashboard, and they are hoping to get more users from this flash sale itself. The main reason behind this, once they add the users, since this is automation software, what happens is, whenever a new software comes into the market, whenever another lifetime deal on one of our marketing software, email marketing, SEO, any type of SEO, if there is integration, what the users of Pabbly Connect will be going to do is always try to ask integration for that. When that happens is, usually they will, when there's a lot of requests for that particular one, they will try to include that into the software, thereby growing and thereby getting the integration fast and easy to do. That's what happening. For example, recently AppSumo, they released Express lifetime deal. It's a marketing platform. You can see that in the feature section, there is already a Pabbly Connect request. You can see other requests are getting just 11, 10 votes and everything. Suddenly you see the Pabbly Connect getting 26 votes. When there is a lot of votes for this thing, a developer can't ignore, because most people of that users platform is actually requesting it. So we can get faster integrations. And now this was Express, and I took another example from Continually, which is another great chatbot which I'm personally using on my website. And you can see I am on the most voted tab, and you can see Pabbly Connect integration also there with 38 votes. I even voted one myself. So you can see that is the power behind the community, and that's what they are also achieving it. Already it's happening without the new flash sale customer. So when they get more customer, we can definitely see more request on Pabbly Connect, all these things, and the integration will happen much faster, not only from Pabbly Connect team side, but it will also happen from the other application side, in order to make much more easy connections with others. And also another thing what I saw was, not only they are just doing integrations on what they want, instead they are having a good amount of threads, questions and things, asking users what they want. Users are requesting they want this platform, all these things, because based on user priority, they are prioritizing the integrations and everything. They are creating separate thread, but I just took a screenshot of one of the main thread. They are asking what are the software integrations do you need with Pabbly Connect, and you can see this thread almost have 993, or I think by the video this finish it would have sent up to 1000. And you can see that customers are requesting based on that experience, and also you can see their reply. The last reply was 2 days ago, so you can see they are actually trying to use customer request in order to create the fast integrations according to the customer needs. So that is a good sign. And also they have a solid discussion. Let me close this, sorry about it. One of the founders, Pabbly team, actually his birthday is also today. I just wished him. Okay, this is the group. You can see they have over 3,642 members. Let me quickly refresh so I can show you all the activity just going behind the scenes on here. You can see the 20 minutes and the launch. You can see how discussion wise the 9 hours they asked the question, and you can see the comments. All these things are appearing here. You can see everything. So not only they have a good product, but the community and the people who are supporting is a major factor on that. That is also a great sign. And finally, if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Either come to join our group, where we have over 1,200 members, and we always do honest discussion on everything. We also have a public related inquiries, questions, all these things, and also you can see public connection deal discussions also going on, everything. And if you need any more, just even contact me personally. I will try to explain as much as possible without any other promotional stuff. I will just give you my honest opinion. I hope this video was useful. And if you have any other doubt, feel free to contact me. Hope you have a great day, and looking at see you in another video. Bye.